In this video, we will learn how to subnet Class C networks to efficiently manage IP addresses. Companies often face a shortage of IP addresses, especially with the explosion of connected devices, leading to network congestion and connection failures. Subnetting is a smart solution to this problem. Subnetting divides a single network into multiple smaller networks, each with its own IP address range. This maximizes IP address use and improves network performance. Consider a growing company where different departments need their own isolated networks. Subnetting allows the IT team to allocate IP addresses efficiently, ensuring each department has enough without wasting resources, leading to better security and easier troubleshooting. Class C networks, such as 192.168.1.0, are commonly used for small to medium-sized networks, but they provide a limited number of host addresses. To create subnets, we borrow bits from the host portion of the IP address and use them as subnet bits. Each borrowed bit doubles the number of available subnets, but reduces the number of hosts per subnet. This trade-off is key to subnetting.
Subnetting relies heavily on binary math, so we must convert IP addresses and subnet masks into binary format to perform calculations.
Binary ANDing is a logical operation that combines the IP address and the subnet mask to determine the network address. It compares each bit in the IP address with the corresponding bit in the subnet mask. If both bits are 1, the result is 1. Otherwise, the result is 0. A 26 subnet mask borrows 2 bits from the host portion, dividing the original network into 4 subnets. Each subnet has a smaller range of usable IP addresses, allowing for more efficient allocation and better network segmentation. After subnetting, it's crucial to calculate the number of usable IP addresses in each subnet. Remember to subtract 2 addresses, one for the network address and one for the broadcast address. By subnetting, you transform a single Class C network into multiple smaller, more manageable networks, efficiently allocating IP addresses to different departments or devices and solving the initial IP shortage problem. Let's recap the subnetting workflow. First, determine the number of required subnets and hosts per subnet. Next, choose an appropriate subnet mask. Then, convert the IP address and subnet mask to binary. After performing binary ANDing, assign the resulting network addresses to your subnets. Finally, configure your network devices with the correct IP addresses and subnet masks. Consider a small business with separate departments for sales, marketing, and development. Without subnetting, all devices would share the same network, leading to potential security risks and performance issues. By subnetting, each department gets its own network, improving security, organization, and overall efficiency. Congratulations! You've learned how to subnet Class C networks, solving the IP address shortage and improving network management. With practice, you'll master subnetting and efficiently manage your network resources. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.